Today, it was a mentorship day. I realized as Mama County, Kisii County has a high rate of teen pregnancy, which comes along with HIV. We have cases of defilement. So through my knowledge, I managed to get some sponsors who came on board to mentor our girls and boys on the same. If you can agree with me, we've measured more on girls, letting away aside our boys. So today we did it here in Nyamawa Mixed Secondary School to empower both girls and boys, to tell them on the dangers of diseases, alcohol, and also how they can make good choices on their career choices. That was my major key today, and we had teachers from various institutions. The message for teachers to leaders is that we end the demonstrations so that our learners cannot be affected as when we had the COVID-19, which made them have their classes prolonged. So that's what I can say as per what happened today. Twari gukwanira abana toko basomi igoro yogo koraki yobobe bwa mariogo morocha abarimu mbachagaiga abarimu okonyore bagototebia abana babe bara affected mpaka abana mbaroro barwarite abana mbari batabwati buna bagwekonya abana bande batibongire bari defiled onye ntogo chamo to address issues echi wa affect abana baito igo ntobwati generation yere mutwe mwaro chino nyana maandamano ali abete chinsemo cha Kisumu omwana uito gakwete bono nabo tokubori bada bara baito na kinki totagocheramo ebintu mbire togoisaransa tokwane birete richibu inseteri yo montomo naende ekere abantu baisaransire bakwanire richibu erigotoka rigeri bono buna bali mu baregaiga ebaoboete last year ebasometi ase chinka kichinkongu bako accumulate classes basomi double etamu go bari gokora omwaka riri babonete gutwara 3 terms abarimu bari kwira 4 terms okoba ya covid bono no na barimu bakumeti naki orochichi demonstration echiga chigenderere naende classes chabe chigo chikoba affected igo bono intubuna as leaders na intugo tokobori naki tegango tocha mo tokwane so that abana baito mbachandeka abanyabiashara mbachandeka at least twensi tomenya Kenya tomanyete nga egento gyo komata peace is very paramount as ensi yetu ya Kenya mbia mono.